Okay, it's basically 9 o'clock at night. I'm in a very large lay-by on the way to the east coast, basically, Lincolnshire and Skegness and Mablethorpe. As you can see, the van's there, and this is my view. There we go. Lovely rapeseed field. Good job I don't have hay fever. And, see, there you go. This is why I have a yellow van, of course. I definitely thought ahead. This is camouflage, so I blend in to the to the rapeseed fields. Yeah, you believe that, you believe anything. Anyway, it's yeah, it's you know, it's not exactly idyllic, or if that's the word, but as far as laybys go, I think it'll do for tonight. And it's free, of course. There we go. The road's just beginning to quieten down. Not that it was getting bothered by the road particularly, because we're well set back. As you can see, the large verge there. There's a car down there. I don't know if somebody asleep in it or not, but probably doggers, I don't know. Let's hope not. Fields all around me. People wondering why I'm talking to myself in a lay-by. But there we go. Reason I'm here, it was a very short notice type thing. Life was just generally getting me and the wife down with, well, you know, family issues and all this sort of thing. So we went, bugger it. Van's been off the road for 5 months. Let's give it a good test out now and we'll get out. So here we are. Where we'll end up I don't know, but at the moment this is home. Just had a nice fry up, because that's pretty much the only thing I cook. And there we go. I look forward to waking up in the morning and looking out at this, hopefully with a beautiful sunrise. So for now, before the light completely fades, one more look at the lay-by there. I'm about 40 mile-ish from Skegness. There we go. Van lit up, you might not see it, curtains are shut there. So let's hope, it's got me this far, let's hope it gets me home. But there we go. Okay, that'll do for now, I think. Catch you later.